Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install VirtualBox on Windows 11 or any of your older machine. Now VirtualBox is a tool that will allow you to run multiple operating systems virtually on your host computer. Now to download VirtualBox, simply head to your Google Chrome browser and then search for VirtualBox. Now click on Oracle VM VirtualBox, which is up here. So by the left you can see over here downloads, so you click on downloads. Now this is the latest version of VirtualBox, which is version 6.1.36, and we are installing it on a Windows machine, Windows 11 actually. So we are going to select Windows host and it would start downloading. So you can see VirtualBox has started downloading. So I already have it downloaded in my device, so let's go to my download folder. Now this is my download folder and you can see VirtualBox 6.1.36. and the size is 108 megabytes, which is actually not much. Now let's open and run this program. This is the location where our VirtualBox will be running from, so if you want to install it on a separate drive then you can change it, but it's actually okay this way. So next, yes, and then install. So this shouldn't take long. The time is currently 10:55 AM. So let's see how long this would take to install. And then finish. Okay, so we are good to go. Now this didn't even take up to 3 minutes and our installation is done. This is how quick it is. So basically this is how to install VirtualBox on Windows 11. Now this is the same method even if you're installing for an older Windows version, maybe Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7. Or any other machine at all. It's actually easy and shouldn't take up to 5 minutes. If you encounter any issue while installing, then you can use the comment section and we would be glad to attend to that. If this was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.